Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. Before we begin, let me ask you a quick question. Have you ever wondered if it's possible to make real money from trading, even if you're starting with almost nothing? Most people think you need hundreds or even thousands of dollars to get started. But what if I told you that's not true at all? Today, I'm going to show you how I start trading with just $10. Yes, just $10, the same amount you probably spend on coffee or lunch. But instead of spending it, I'm turning it into a daily profit machine using a beginner-friendly strategy on Pocket Option. All right, let's get started by setting the trade duration to 1 minute. To analyze the market, I'm using a trusted and fully tested piece of software, something I rely on every day to make clear, confident trading decisions. If you want to download the same tool, just check the link in the description below. Now, I'm going to choose the market I want to trade. I'm choosing Pocket Option as my broker, since that's the one I currently use. Next, I'm setting the signal duration to 1 minute, which matches the exact trade duration I'll be using. This keeps everything in sync and helps ensure better accuracy. All right, friends, I've just placed a sell trade based on a signal from the software I personally use and trust. If you'd like to experience the same precision and confidence in your trading, feel free to check out the software. Please check the description. Now, let's see the final result of today's trade. And there it is, another successful trade completed with just $10 to start. As you can see, using the right tools and strategy really makes a difference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trading content. And if you're ready to try these tools yourself, you can check description to download. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.